Looking for top-notch window replacement services in West Jordan, UT? Our team specializes in providing energy-efficient windows that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also improve its energy efficiency. With our custom window solutions, you can choose from a variety of vinyl window options and double-pane windows to suit your specific needs. For those in need of slider windows West Jordan, we offer expert services to ensure a perfect fit and seamless operation. Our window fitting experts are skilled in window frame installation and can handle any residential window services you require. Whether it's window glass replacement or window sealing services, we have you covered. Upgrade your home with our slider windows West Jordan. Our window design consultation services will help you select the best window style options to match your home's architecture. We also provide window hardware installation and window insulation services to enhance the durability and performance of your windows. If you're dealing with drafty windows, our window weatherproofing and window sealing West Jordan UT services can help. We offer comprehensive window maintenance to keep your windows in top condition. Our window replacement West Jordan UT services are designed to address any issues promptly and efficiently. Enhance your home's security with our window security features and window noise reduction solutions. Our window durability solutions ensure that your windows withstand the test of time. For those interested in window tinting services, we offer a range of options to improve privacy and reduce glare. For custom windows West Jordan UT, our team offers a wide selection of window-style West Jordan options to choose from. Our window design West Jordan UT services are tailored to meet your unique preferences and requirements. With our window insulation West Jordan UT services, you can enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. Choose our window installation West Jordan services for reliable and professional results. Our residential windows West Jordan solutions are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. From slider windows West Jordan to window replacement West Jordan, we provide comprehensive services to meet all your window needs. Experience the benefits of energy-efficient windows West Jordan with our expert installation services. Our vinyl windows West Jordan options are perfect for those seeking low-maintenance and durable window solutions. With our double-pane windows West Jordan, you can enjoy improved insulation and noise reduction.